In this video, you'll learn how to change your password in WordPress. By following these steps, you will successfully update your password to enhance your account security. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. Ensure you are connected to the internet and open your preferred web browser. Once the page is fully loaded, locate the Sites option in the main navigation menu. This section will direct you to your WordPress sites. After selecting Sites, you may be prompted to sign into your account. If this occurs, enter your username or email address and your current password, then click the Login button to access your dashboard. Once logged in, you will see a list of your WordPress sites displayed on the screen. Next, locate and click on your profile icon, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. This action will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Profile. You will be taken to a page where you can manage your account settings. Once on your profile page, find and click on the Security option. This section contains various security settings for your account. After clicking, you will see additional security features and options available for your profile. After that, click on Security Checklist to review security recommendations and actions. This checklist provides an overview of your account's security status. It is essential to ensure your account is secure before proceeding to change your password. Now, you will click on the password option. This will take you to the section specifically for updating your password. Here, you will find fields to input your new password. Type in your new password in the designated field. Make sure to create a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. This helps to protect your account from unauthorized access. After entering your new password, review it for accuracy to avoid any mistakes. Finally, click on the Save Password button to confirm your changes. Upon clicking, you may see a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully updated. It's advisable to log out and then log back in using your new password to ensure everything is functioning correctly. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.